Marble nails, how to get the manicure trend in 5 steps. You can make marble nails using this straightforward DIY in just 5 simple steps. Your next manicure might be inspired by the marble surface in your kitchen or the bathroom. With nearly 1 million images on Instagram with the hashtag marble nails, women from all over the world are participating in this well-liked nail art craze. This white, black, and gray freeform pattern nail art manicure was created as a nod to the elegant appearance of white marble. The outcomes are unexpectedly cool. According to nail technician and salon manager Leah Lopez, numerous clients have requested this look at salons like Vanity Projects in New York City. Customers have requested everything, she told Today Style, including marbling the entire nail, producing a negative space look, and utilizing the marble pattern only on the tips of the nails. And it goes beyond just having a white and black appearance. Additionally, Vanity Projects produced a turquoise effect that looks natural. According to Lopez, she starts with a pale green gel manicure as the basis, then blends in a gel mixer and a deeper blue polish after that. To create a truly rustic impression, the nail technician repeats this procedure using black polish. However, you can produce this elegant nail art at home, unlike items for your home or even jewelry, in the case of turquoise, where you have to spend a lot of money to acquire the look. A really simple DIY for making marbled nails in any hue of choosing was revealed by Christina Klug of the Nail Salon Paintbox in New York City. You may have a manicure that looks extremely cool and professional in just 5 easy steps. This is how. 1. Start by applying a base coat, followed by 1 or 2 coats of your chosen color. This color would be white if you were trying to replicate the appearance of white marble. 2. Draw dots in the color you want the marble to be. This is the time to apply the black polish to create the appearance of white and black marble. Make sure the dots are extremely small. Additionally, Lopez suggests experimenting with wavy acrylic paint strokes for a like result. 3. On top of the earlier dots, add teeny tiny dots of the first color you paint on your nails. 4. Create an organic, free-form shape by swirling the colors together with a detail brush. 5. Apply your favorite top coat. Additionally, you can simply give your nails more of a tie-dye impression by using neutral, dark, or colorful colors of your choice if the white marble style isn't your thing. Thanks for tuning in to Viral Grabbers Worldwide. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. See you again soon.